Hello friends. So in the subject of business analytics, today we will discuss analytics in healthcare industry. Healthcare is a very complex ecosystem of multiple industries interconnected to achieve the healthcare goals of a country. These entities include healthcare providers, physicians, insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies, laboratories, healthcare volunteers, regulatory bodies, retail medicines, and so on, centered on a patient. There are complexity, variety, volume of data that gets generated in each of these independent enterprise and multitude of interconnected heterogeneous means diverse IT applications. Analytics is applicable for all these enterprises like insurance company, pharmaceutical manufacturers, hospitals, etc. First, hospital management analytics. It focuses on cost reduction, enhancing equality of care, improving patient satisfaction, improving outcomes like performance of diagnosis, resting, and treatment, providing secure access to patient data, is also called as electronic health record that provided by the hospitals. Analytics in this area can support fact-based decisions in areas of reduction of medical errors, manage diseases, understand physician performance, and retain patients. Second one, compliance analytics. Analytics provides healthcare compliance like rules and regulations, metrics to regulatory authority and benchmark against the world-class hospitals. Improvement in widespread use of digital data will support audits, analytics, and improve hospital processes needed for regulatory compliance. Third, predictive analytics. They can help healthcare professionals go beyond traditional search and analysis of unstructured data by applying predictive root cause analysis, natural language, and built in medical terminology support to identify trends and patterns to achieve clinical and operational insight. Healthcare predictive analytics can help business organizations get to know their patient better so that they can understand their individual patient's needs while delivering quality, cost effective, life saving services. Next, financial analytics. This area of analytics will lead to enhanced return on investment, improved utilization of hospital infrastructure and human resources, optimize capital management, optimize supply chain, and reduce fund. Next, social analytics. It can help hospitals listen to patients' sentiments, requirements, affordability, and insurance to model care and wellness programs, customizing services by localization of needs. Next, clinical analytics. A number of other critical clinical situations can be detected by analytics applied to healthcare industries like detective post-operative complications, predicting 30-day risk of readmission, risk adjusting hospital mortality means death rates, detecting potential delays in diagnosis, and predicting out of intensive care unit death. So this is all about the healthcare analytics, or we can say the use of analytics in healthcare industry or healthcare sector. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such informative video on this subject and all other subjects of management field.